Graval for 1. Chris Bowden, can you line them up? Like 8 feet between them.
That's too much.
Al Williams to the shoot up, Brody. Al Williams to the 2. Dale Shaw to the 3. Bob Collins to the 4. Kevin Metcalf to the 5. Brody to the 6. Chris Sherwood, our first bump, and Thomas Gibson, our second bump. Got her all fixed up and ready to go.
Wow, that's a little bit further than the rest of them up there. But hey, why not?
Okay, I'm going to slow down the first corner.
Yeah.
All right, driver's ready. Marshall's ready. We're a minute over the clock on that one. On the sound of the tone. Cheater line, I didn't see it on the RD. Oh, chaos in the infield. Slow it down, boys.
Sorry, Dale.
Brody up to the 2 now. Kyle Graval, white truck, checked out already, huge lead. 8 seconds, 4 laps in.
Inside, Kyle, inside. Inside. Brian, behind you. Someone. Fuck me.
Graval, your leader, white truck. See him let him by. Brody is in the 2. He's got red truck. Brody trying to make an A-main today. Metcalf right behind him in 3rd. So is Bob Collins, who battled down the straight for that final bump spot. Oh no! 3 and 4 get it wrong. Giving Brody a bit of a gap. Outside of the straight, go outside of the straight. Good job, Brody. Outside of the straight. Outside. Still clear. All clear. Let's let that white truck by, guys. He is your leader. Last on everyone. Brody in 2nd. He's got Metcalf right behind him. Whoa, they both get it wrong. Kevin goes inside on Brody. Keep it clean, Brody. Brody gets it back. Tight line, Brody. You got this pump. You gotta give it back. Give it back. Give it the red one. There we go. Okay. Bob Collins now up to the 2 to see Kevin and Brody get together. Bob sneaks by. So 1 and 2 together on the track.
1 minute left.
Separated by 2 laps though. Metcalf up to the 3. Here comes Brody.
6,
Metcalf's going to run at a time.
3, 2, 1. Kyle Ravel done.
To the line.
Dink Gus done.
Bob Collins going to take that section off. Metcalf going behind in
Shearer
third.
done. Thomas Gibson done.
Good job, Kyle.
Shaw done.
Good job, buddy.
All drivers are finished.
Good job, Bob.
Brody.
Good job, Thomas.
There's my cleanest one ever.
Yeah, buddy.